Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your username on Twitter. So first of all, launch Twitter application on your mobile device. Here we go. Now once you come here, tap on your profile picture icon at the top left corner. From here, just go to the option of Settings and Support. Tap on that option. Now tap on the option of Your Account. Then go to Account Information. Then tap on the section where your username is given. Now over here, tap on Username and then tap on Continue. Now in this field where you can see username typed, just enter in your new username. Just make sure that username is new that you choose and not taken by someone else. Then tap on Done. Now you can see that your username on Twitter has been changed. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.